Oh, that was inches away from ending badly.
Here's where my demons hide.
It hasn't gone green yet, mate. He's not going to wait for it. Look at this. Oh, wow, that's cool.
I'm autistic, and then I start. Oh, you're joking. Yeah, you're cool. Good on you. Yeah. He gave me the root finger, so I'm like, oh.
You fucking idiot. You fucking tool. Fuck you.
Fuck!
I don't know. Too many corners.
So this is.
Come on. Oh! I think he realised.
Should we get out and help him?
Oh, he realised. He pulled over.
Yeah.
Stop! Fuck! Straight through a red light.
You fucking donkey. Oh, you cockhead. Helps if you stop. Yeah, good on you. Stop sign, left-hand indicator would always be good.
I'm sorry,
Yeah, let me repeat it. Fuck yourself.
Yeah, what the fuck happened? Car turned in front. Oh, car pulled.
You give me fucking, if I want a weekend off.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus.
Are you fucking dumb? You fucking retard! Fucking look! I fucking knew it.
Continue on State Route 13 for 5 kilometers.
Out of the way, Dopey!
Language.
No, it's cool. I'm a Christian. Just stay. And we're back. And they start us off with an FBI warning about stealing the artistic property on the VHS tape that Dave made from the 9th row during this church theater thing. This movie was made by, I shit you not, Reality Overreach Films.
You are a fucking
Your Chain
moron.
Productions was taken, I guess. I think it was Reality Outreach. But still, I mean, that's like pretty self-aware for a religious group. They're like, no, we're gonna...
That was illegal? Jesus Christ. Fucking hell.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
You're a yob or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance? Join the wanker.
What the fuck are you doing?
Line up with everybody else, you fucking idiot. Dumb as dog shit. No, fuck off. Line up with everybody else.
Striker, lift your nose. Straighten your wings. Coming in too fast. Watch your speed. He's coming right at us. Ah! Coming in too hot. Ease up on the front. Watch for that crosswind. Level it out. Aim for the numbers. Let the dip your left wing. They're drifting. Keep your eyes on the far end of the runway. You're too low, damn it! Watch your stall speed. Wild! Eyes are down! Down! The brake! Pull the red handle!
I just want to tell you both good luck.